Does the color of a dormant fig cutting make a difference? Do brown colored dormant fig cuttings root better than green colored fig cuttings? We ran a test and have the results. Hi, I'm Mark at Dingdong's Garden. We sell fig cuttings every year during our annual winter sale. And every year we run tests against extra cutting stock to confirm the quality of our product. Over the years, we've noticed that some people develop preferences for their fig cutting stock. We have heard some say that brown cuttings are better than green or vice versa. So we ran a test. We took 20 dark colored fig cuttings and compared rooting success against 24 greener fig cuttings. Both sets of cuttings were lignified, which means they didn't bend easily. We rooted all 44 fig cuttings under identical conditions using 9-inch tree pots, damp but not wet ProMix potting media, and parafilm on the exposed section to control for humidity. We used a heating mat and aimed for 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The cuttings were planted on January 18th, and 7 weeks later, on March 6th, we checked the growth. 18 out of 19 of the brown colored fig cuttings showed roots. 23 out of 24 of the green tinted fig cuttings showed roots. So our conclusion from this is that whether the fig cuttings are dark brown or tinted green, they have similar propagation success rates. I hope you found this information useful. Thanks to all and have a great week.